everyone, I am Shreya and in this video I'm going to talk about something जिससे maybe आप relate कर सकते हो. I have noticed quite a few times people making this mistake, but that's alright. We all make mistakes and in fact we learn from our mistakes. Tell me honestly, how many of you use or say or write did not, fought, did, came, did not, went, did not, ate. Okay, so what I'm trying to convey is, मैंने notice किया कुछ लोग वो did के साथ, did which is used to refer any incident that happened in the past, with did they use the past tense of the main verb in a sentence. Now, when I said past tense of the main verb in a sentence, I meant taking a sentence, okay? I did not fought with him. Fought is the main verb in this sentence. Fought is the past tense of the verb fight. And you are using did with the past tense of the verb, of the main verb. Okay? Taking more examples. I did not ate my lunch. Now, ate is again the past tense. Ate is the main verb in this sentence and ate is the past tense of the verb eat. And you're using did or did not if it is a negative sentence. Did not ate. So basically what I'm trying to say is, if you are using did or did not with the past tense of the main verb in a sentence, like I mentioned above, it is incorrect. It is not the correct way of using did. Okay? Instead, when you're using did or did not, you have to use did with the base form of the main verb in any sentence, in a sentence or in any sentence it is. Okay? Example लेते हैं, okay? Like जो ऊपर लिया हमने अभी उसी को लेकर देखते हैं. I did not eat my lunch. Did not eat. Eat इस sentence में main verb है. Did के साथ we are going to use the base form of this verb. Eat is the base form. Okay? I did not have my lunch. Rather, or you can say like I did not eat my lunch or I did not have my lunch. Okay? I did not fight with him. Did not fight. You're not supposed to use I did not fought with him. No, it's incorrect. I did not fight with him. Okay? Okay, और simple बनाते हैं. When we were in school, जब हम लोग school में थे, then हमें हमेशा से पता था that words like fight, grow, come, play, dance, eat, sing, we always knew कि ये सारे words exist करते हैं. And when we went to higher standards, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, हमें पता चला कि okay, words like play का played, eat का ate होता है past tense, go का went होता है past tense, come का came होता है past tense. But starting में हमें नहीं पता था, right? Starting में हमें सिर्फ words पता था कि okay, ये words होते हैं. So when you are using did के साथ ना वही जो basic वाला simple वाला word जो हमें हमेशा से पता है कि ये सारे words exist करते हैं, वो simple वाला word did के साथ use करना है. और example जैसे अगर लें, I did not go to school. Did not go. Go. Okay? Where did you come from? Come. I'm not saying where did you came from. No. Where did you come from? Okay? I did not like this video. होपफुली ऐसा ना हो, लाइक करना, होपफुली यू डू, ओके, दैट्स इट. So I hope that I did not confused you through my video. And अगर आप में से किसी को इस चीज को लेकर थोड़ा बहुत डाउट हो तो आपका डाउट क्लियर हुआ हो. And it said that knowledge share करना चाहिए, knowledge बांटने से बढ़ता है. I shared the little bit that I have with me. I shared mine with you. You pass it on. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके कोई फ्रेंड है जो सिमिलर मिस्टेक करते हैं, and please शेयर करिए उनके साथ and help them. Also, in this video, I made a mistake. जिस चीज के बारे में मैं आपको समझाना चाह रही हूँ through this video, उसी को लेकर I made a mistake in this video. Towards the end, I'll give you that hint. I made that mistake towards the end of the video. Let's see if you can point out. And if you do, then tell me in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.